I'm guessing you're in the market for a golf bag, which is primarily why you clicked on a video for a golf bag. And you're looking for something kind of in that mid-tier pricing range that looks really sharp, has a lot of special features, and will really catch the attention of your golfing buddies when you break it out for the first time. Well, you're in luck, because straight ahead, we're going to take an up-close look at this beauty and see if what Big Mac's Golf has to offer is what you need for the golfer in your life, even if that golfer is you. Hello friends, Bill here. Welcome into Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. And for the golfer in your life, maybe that's you or maybe that's somebody else, and you're looking for a bag, I've got an idea for you. And before we get into exploring this particular bag, let me just kind of make a comparison for you. The world of golf bags is somewhat similar to the world of automobiles. There are a lot of different options to get you where you need to go. You can buy a car at the low end of the cost continuum, or you can go all the way up to the top where they get into 6 and 7 figures. And then of course, there are lots of cars in the middle. This bag would be kind of one of those in the middle. It is a beauty from Big Mac's. It's called the Dri Lite Hybrid Tour 2. And the first thing I notice as we take it out of the bag and out of the box is the stunning visual appeal of this red, white, and blue design. They have lots of colors, but this one kind of was my favorite. So this is kind of the evolution of a hybrid bag where this works perfectly well on the back of a cart, strapped in, and you're going to go play around and ride while you do so. But it also works really well on a push cart or if you're going to carry it. Let's talk about the carry side of it here for a moment, because one of the features on this bag are some cushioned air channels, because when you have this bag on your back, this is the part that will be making contact with your back, and they have done a great job of cushioning things. This one has a 14-way divider at the top, so every club has its own home, and for some golfers, that's a really cool thing, and others prefer a 7-way divider. And all the way around this bag, there are special features and unique touches that I think make it really stand out. First of all, if you are going to carry it and walk, the legs, like bags that always do, stand bags, this is the stand. These are the legs that pop out. When you're not walking, you just Velcro them in place so that they don't come out and annoy you when you're not expecting it. All the way around the bag, we've got massive storage pockets. We've got small ones here for phone, for snacks. We've got a big one here for some of your rain gear. As we flip it around to this side, we have an even bigger one where I think you can fit a family of 3 if you need to. And there are kind of little cushion pocket here, kind of a velvet lining where you probably will put your phone or maybe your keys and the things that you want to make sure don't get scratched up. Nice touch here on the front. This top pocket is actually a cooler. It is lined with like it's not aluminum, but it looks like an aluminum foil. So you can put your water bottle or bottle of whatever it is that you're enjoying, a nice cold beverage while you're playing. And then down on the bottom here is a very big pocket for golf balls and everything else. This pocket detaches. It's magnetically connected right now. It detaches so that you can actually put a logo or your initials on there. As we come up around this side, we have a holder for your rangefinder to clip onto, your towel to clip onto, and a nice touch over here where your umbrella slides down through this loop. Then you can tighten it up. Here's another loop for it to come down through, and then finally it anchors down here on the side so that when you have your umbrella out here, it's rigidly secure and you don't have to worry about it getting in your way at any time. This bag has a lot of thought put into it, a lot of really cool design involved in it. And as I said, it's kind of in that mid, maybe a little bit upper tier of bag prices, but this is one that's going to last you a long time. It's very durable. It's very sturdy. It's not going to tip over on you even without the legs being extended. And the Big Mac's, at least this particular one, the Dri Lite Hybrid Tour 2 in red, white, and blue, it's a stunner. So there's my 2 cents. And by the way, people always tell me, you know, whenever you do a review, you've got to include things that are negative about it, because otherwise you won't have any credibility. I don't feel like making up things that are negative. I haven't found anything about this bag I don't like. If you want to check it out and let us know in the comments below what you think, please do. Thanks for watching Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. I do hope you'll hit subscribe as we review all kinds of things across the spectrum and share those thoughts with you right here. We'll see you next time.